Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
This son of Vyasdev was only 16 years old. His legs, hands, thighs, arms, shoulders, forehead, and the other parts of his body were all delicately formed. His eyes were beautifully wide, and his nose and ears were highly raised. He had a very attractive face, and his neck was well formed and beautiful like a conch shell. A respectable personality is described beginning with the legs, and this honoured system is observed here with Shukdev Goswami. He was only 16 years of age. A person is honoured for his achievements and not for advanced age. A person can be older by experience and not by age. Sri Shukdev Goswami, who is described herein as the son of Vyasdev, was by his knowledge more experienced than all the sages present there, although he was only 16 years old.